Wait, please, item number 11, I have filed affidavit yesterday, madam, that may be possible.
It's on record.
Record, ma'am.
May please look. The consent of father, item number 10, matter may be taken up after vacation, my lord.
Okay, on request, you are for it?
Order respondent number 1, my lord.
I'm for the appellant lordship. Interim may be continued.
Got MS P. Sharma, counsel for the applicant. On request made by
And Bulwa,
N. Barrow, learned counsel for the respond number
1,
1. When do you want?
17 July, my lord, after.
Of the list after the summer vacation. Huh? Interim order passed earlier to continue.
Last week of July, otherwise it has to be very.
So after vacation, you-
After the-
May I please, your lordship? My lord, a press motion item matter, my lord, the rule is under challenge regarding a selection, my lord. Can it be, my lord? Friday, my lord, coming Friday. Already selection is going on, my lord, that's one.
May it please your lord. May it please your lordship. Listing of an IA, my lord. The main matter is listed tomorrow. Let this IA also come along with it.
Okay.
So,
May I please, lordship, I am paying for listing on a matter, your lordship. This is a contempt case civil, 242 of 24. It was last listed on 21/5/25. As per the last court order, the matter was directed to be listed again after 2 weeks, but since then not listed.
After vacation?
After witness. Lordship, kindly list the matter on next week, 24th June.
Said after vacation. Okay, 25th.
That's it.
Item 1 for orders.
IA.
May I please your lordship? Whatever delay of 86 is there in filing this
Notice
appeal lordship.
cut are the nuts. Did you see for the applicants? Issue notice. Applicants to take steps for service of notice on the sole response opposite party by respect proceeding within 1 week. List after 4 weeks.
Item 2.
There's a
May I
delay,
please, your
delay.
lordship? My lord, there is a delay, my lord. I have explained in,
How many days?
my lord, 291 days, my lord. We have explained in paragraph 3, my lord, at page 193, my lord. State is the, my lord, there is no private respondent is there, my lord.
No, I think there are some respondents.
Private? So what of it?
Who appeals?
Yeah, some. 30 minutes. In the master. My lord. Can issue notice at this point.
Okay, you ask.
Sir, yeah, what do you have on the merits of things?
Lord, marriage.
An advertisement 24 years
My
back.
lord.
issued.
Lord,
406
the,
people
my lord,
who have not reported for joining at that point.
no, my lord, we have been denied, my lord, the joining, my lord. That's the difficulty. And
We
the
now
state-
set aside a settled condition which are
my
not there
lord,
last
can,
24
my
years.
lord, the state of more than 400 persons is before my lord, my lord. So, my lord, if it is not, my
And
lord,
you all have become around 45, 46 years of
I'm
age.
very sorry, lordship. My-
Much past the upper age limit also, double the upper age limit. And this is a post, a discipline post,
people are still working of that age also, my lord.
working, but they were recruited long back.
Correct, my lord. But when there is a, my lord, a mistake on the part of the respondents, my lord.
And they none of single,
And my lord,
what is the error?
My
They
lord-
run a single justice office.
my lord, we have, my lord, drafted in the writ appeal, my lord. I have not gone through on the merit, full preparation.
You have the both matters together, then you prepare on merit also.
Oh, my lord, kindly, my lord, without
There's no point
condoning,
in issuing an appeal, you understand? That's what we feel.
my lord, without condoning the delay, my lord.
No, we hear it together.
You have any objection?
Lordship, I have to control all lordship.
We can condone the delay and dismiss the writ petition.
But then no,
Writ appeal.
Mal,
then already.
mal.
That's the whole thing.
Anything to say on merit, you can make your submission, sir.
Today, my lord.
Today,
No, it has to be registered.
yes, okay.
Any objection on the delay? Or you want to file objection?
Lordship, delay, I have no objection, but in merit, I have
Heard
to.
Mr. A.R. Buyan and the counsel for the applicants. Also heard MS
do that.
R.B. Bora, learned, no, government,
Government advocate.
government. Learned government advocate for the, all respondents,
Yes, my lord,
for
all
all
the
the,
respondents.
for all the opposite
All the
parties.
3, 4, 5.
By this application, the applicant is praying for the condonation of delay of 291 days in filing the connected to the stop. MSRB Boral and government it has no objections. We have also produced the code shown in the present application. And we have satisfied. Unfortunately, delay of 291 days is condoned. Registry is directed to register a writ appeal in which the matter in its usual course.
Mal. Obliged.
Lordship, copy of the.
Appeal file.
Yes, my lord.
We'll
Item
discuss
3.
it on the next day.
Obliged.
Yes. Impleadment.
I filed an IA here for implement of the state government of Assam, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh as respondent number 7, 8 and 9.
Who are the
Okay.
parties?
Page 7. sir.
I have also filed the additional affidavit.
Okay. Where's the IA?
1-8.
Who are the respondents you want to implead?
The state government of Assam, Nagaland and Arunachal Pradesh as 7, 8 and 9.
Okay. No. Heard the petitioner in person by this application. The petition person who is the petitioner in PIL 17 of 2025 is praying for impleadment of page 7, A to A. This will be not 7, 8 and 9, A, B, C. As party respondents, 7, 8 and 9
7, 8 and 9.
in PIL number 17 of 20. It is the case of the applicant, of the petitioner in person, that unless the aforesaid respondents are impleaded as parties, no, that the aforesaid respondents are required to be impleaded as respondents 7, 8, and 9. In as much as they are necessary parties for adjudication of the concerned PIL stop. We have considered the course shown in the present application and we are satisfied. And accordingly, the prayer for impleadment is allowed to stop. But in the main PIL, in view of the order passed within so let so and so be impleaded as respondent 7, 8 and 9 in the present PIL. Stop. Petitioner is directed to file an amended course title within 1 week.
Lordship,
Within 1 week from today. Stop. Who appears? Anybody?
I appeared not 5, 6 and now 9. 9 and 9. I am for the 4 and 8.
How about no newly imputed respondents?
For 7, I'll be appearing.
7. Mr.
Leaders.
Pidas, Leonard, standing counsel.
No,
For-
I'm appearing on behalf of the government.
Leonard Counsel appearing on behalf of the Covert, Leonard Standing Counsel Forest Department appears on behalf of the newly implemented respondent number 7. And MS Tico. Leonard Additional Advocate General Nagar appears for the respondent number 8. And Mr. A.R. Atigari, MR Atigari, Leonard Standing Counsel, Additional Senior Government Advocate appears on behalf of the respondent number 9. Notice on respondents are complete. The newly implemented respondents are permitted to file counter. List of forwards. Deeply obliged.
Item 4,
Notice. Complete.
There is a delay, my lord, about 600.
Heard Mr.
Take it, sir.
D.K. Sharma, Leonard. Additional senior government advocate for the applicant. Issue notice. The applicant to take steps for service of notice. Sole respondent
Yes, ma'am.
on the sole opposite party by registered proceeding within 1 week. List of the forwards.
item 11, orders.
Please. The interim application is before a lordship. If I may just read this two earlier relevant orders to that.
That we have seen.
Your lordship has seen, that is the first order 14/5/25. That was the
Gayan.
Yes.
On the basis of an audit report, you have taken out the money. Can you do that?
My lord, that is our function of CPAO, my lord. We have mentioned in 249.
That we have seen.
And audit report is based on, my lord, guideline. That is kindly see page number 267, my lord.
67.
Relevant portion is 269.
So you return back the money.
Yes, ma'am.
You return back the money. Which will be subject to the outcome of this.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
they have agreed in fact in one of the affidavit.
We'll pass orders.
Extraordinarily arrogant, but the whole thing.
We are directing you to return the money forthwith. Forthwith. That would not exceed 7 days.
7 days.
That will not exceed 7 days.
That-
However, it will be subject to the outcome of the
Petition.
IS
The
disposed.
direction is, who will do that? That should be
State bank.
specified.
Money has to come into our account.
Yes, so they will have to put it,
Immediately will do.
you will put it into the
No,
account.
Who will give the money?
Government will come.
No.
Respondent number
Which is the
2 will
respondent?
give the money, is it the respondent 2?
R2 or R3 or who?
You're the SPR.
That is called SPR.
Yes, you will have to make that credit within 7 days. You will get that recovery, make that recovery from the respondent.
The money has to come to us.
It was done by you without notice.
It is done by state bank.
No.
Why did you credit that amount? You will recover, we'll also direct them to do that, but the money will be credited by you in our account. Forthwith, and within 7 days, they will credit that money.
Money is like.
Lying in the government account.
Why? Get it? First, the petitioner.
You
must
credit into the petitioner's account,
pay immediately.
there will be no restriction for the petitioner to utilize that amount.
That may be
However,
mentioned.
yeah, we are going to mention everything. However, that reimbursement or returning back the money to the account of the petitioner will be subject to the outcome.
Yes,
From the government, I don't know where money is lying in this respondent.
no, that has to be clear again to come.
SBI will credit it and SBI will get it from the
Government.
authority to which it has sent the
Yes,
money.
yes.
That is between the authority and the SBI, but the money of the SBI,
Yes.
of the petitioner has to be credited by this.
Yes.
Within 7 days, they'll.
We're saying,
Today.
we're saying forthwith, but it should not exceed 7 days.
7 days will do. It will start, I'll inform the SBI, because that particular CPC don't have a fund of their own. It's only a. because that is a pension.
We are not bothered about what is happening
You only have
between
to
the
get
two
money
of
from
you,
the government only.
but you can't treat the retired judge like this.
You get it from which authority you want to get it, that is up to you and the.
In both the accounts,
Both the.
Both
as you-
account.
as the-
That 57 lakhs, 50,
38 lakhs
Lakh
from
and-
the pension
Uh-huh.
account, and they have another separate account which
Uh,
had nothing to do with
a
pension.
total of 57
57,
lakhs owed.
correct.
So that you will have to put.
From the
And
authority.
the respondent 1, 2, 3, and 6, all your lordship should direct that they should be responsible for this, carrying out this.
Yeah.
There should be no further,
So my lord is saying that the SBI authorities will
Absolutely.
credit the money and they, it is their headache, how they get the money from which authority.
from government.
We don't know anything.
I
Correct,
don't know.
absolutely.
Item 12.
Read petition, we can list it after 4 weeks.
As your lordship, please.
Okay. Okay.
And your lordship will issue the rules.
Will issue them.
Okay, that will be there. And then the second Panbajar branch, the balance amount was taken from them. It was nothing to do with petition. They were not even aware of what is what. And they released the money without telling us. So that direction should cover this respondent number.
Both the
And they are our application for impleadment is as RM, respondent 9. Because they were
It has already.
IA 1708 of 27. That implement.
That is for impleadment.
Yeah, because that Punjab, Panbajar branch, they took the balance amount from Panbajar branch. Without
Okay.
notice they have given. And that is the balance amount which was. So this is our.
I heard Mr. P. K. Goswami,
170.
Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. B.T. Goswami, Learned Counsel for the application. By this application, they, also heard Union, Mr. B. Chakrabarty, Learned CGC for the respondent. Opposite party, one. MS A. Gyan,
For two.
Learned
He
CGC
is for appearing for 2,
for respondent 2 and
3.
3, 4, 5.
3 and 6. 3 and 6 is there.
Mr.
Yes, that.
S. Data, Learned Standing Counsel.
There is no standing
Four,
counsel is there.
four is 8.
Okay, Learned Counsel for the respondent.
3 and 6.
3 is Assistant General Manager.
Yes, yes, CPC.
Okay,
These are
3
Yes.
and 6. How about 4, 5?
4 is AZ, my lord.
Document actually being of Mr. Article.
Arke Talukdar, Learned Standing Counsel, Accountant General for respondent 4. And Pay and Accounts Office, CAT,
Terms. That's a compliment.
Registrar General.
Nobody is here.
Okay, Registrar General. Mr. S.K. Das.
No, notice will go to them. They are
Guwahati High
party.
Court for the respondent number 7. Now, by this application, the applicant is praying for, the applicant who is the writ petitioner in WBC 2531 of 2025 is praying for implement of the State Bank of India from a
Panbajar
Pan
branch.
Bazaar. Can it be like this?
As
There has to
respondent
be a
9.
part of- No, it has to be represented by a branch manager or general manager, isn't it?
Yes, I think the branch manager.
What is it? Hold on, here.
Back to location.
I think Oh, State Bank of India, comma, Panbazar main branch, comma, Panbazar Guwahati, 781001, through its manager as party respond number 9 in the,
Panbajar branch.
in the aforesaid petitions.
Branch
We have
manager,
considered the
State
cost
Bank
note
of India,
and we are
Panbajar.
satisfied and accordingly
As a
the
respondent
preference
nine.
is allowed. In the writ petition, and we have the order passed today and so and so. Let so and so be implemented as party respond number 9, in the present writ petition. The petitioner is directed to file an amended cost title within 1 week.
We'll take steps within 1 week.
Or then we can dispose of the IA today. Okay, can you file the amended cost title today?
Yes, yes,
Yeah, within the course of the day.
you are ready.
List the matter.
We can take steps today, sir.
The doctor is taking the steps.
List the matter again on
Amendment.
tomorrow is what
Yes.
date?
We'll do that. If
18th.
it is allowed, that order is there, we'll do it right away.
Then it's coming up on 18th because direction has to go to the respondent number 9 also.
Yes.
So this IA we're not disposing of today.
Okay.
We'll dispose of tomorrow after along with the respond number 9. We have to give a direction. Mr. S Data.
Yes.
Then
Those things on the direction of the respondent number 2, we have created the account to their government account. But we are unable to know which government account. Kindly that.
Not the bank. The petitioner is not lying. Anybody coming and telling you to debit the account, you will start debiting the account.
No,
Because that the protocol you follow.
no, Lordship, with due respect, Lordship. I understand. Lordship.
This thing we don't expect from our.
No, Lordship, I understand, Lordship.
That should not be.
But there-
That is for you to take care, we don't know.
No, Lordship, I understand. Lordship.
You can track your transfer, whatever accounts, the money you transfer, you can track it. You know where.
Because they have stated
Mr.
in the
is
government
Data.
account. That's the problem.
Also interest appearance on behalf of the
A direction may be given. to
newly
respond
implemented
to
respond number 9.
Clarify which account. That we
List the
will do
matter,
it.
give tomorrow's date.
That will do it.
List is
Simple, that thing. we
That
want.
we-
That is what we want.
You
We are
get
not-
it, we will direct them to dispose that. But the
Yeah,
amount.
we'll
Yes,
discuss. Yes, one.
Yes,
Very
that is
good.
what I wanted.
Done.
That is what I wanted.
that will pass orders tomorrow because
No, you need not be hit, be passing.
item 9,
Look,
respondent number 9 is being implemented now only.
yes, please.
So let him be also informed. He is appearing in his presence.
He is appearing for respondent number 9 also.
We just formalize it, tomorrow morning we pass the same.
Thank you, Lord.
So you may not be.
Take care.
Item 12.
No problem.
It will happen to us today.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, there is a condonation of delay of 48 days. Preparing the deed appeal, your lordship.
Who are the respondents?
All are government respondents. In the writ petition, your lordship, 2 to 6 was represented by learned counsel TC Sutia, and respondent number 1 was
2 to 6.
Six, Lordship.
And what?
One.
You'll appeal. You have any objections in the dealing?
No. In case of
Heard
the.
Mr.
A Chitia, your lordship.
A Chitia, learned counsel for the appeal. Also heard MS. MK Sharma. CGC. Oh, learned counsel appearing on behalf of JB Group, learned CGC for the opposite party 1. And MS RB Bora, learned additional senior government advocate for respondent. Additional junior.
Junior.
Okay, learned government advocate for the opposite party 2 to
2 to 6.
6. Stop. By this application, the applicant is praying for condonation of 48 days delay in filing the file. Learners counsel for the respondents of few objects. We have also perused the course shown in the present application and we are satisfied. The court delay of 48 days is condoned. Registry is directed to register a writ appeal and list the matter in its usual course.
Lordship, I have a small prayer, your lordship, if I may just, you know.
Hmm?
Because my termination letter is from effect from 29th of June. So may I pray that this matter may be fixed on 28th, your lordship.
Your termination letter is what?
That is at page number 18, your lordship.
Oh, so
That is coming into effect from 29/6, your lordship.
29. Okay. 25th. Just
20th.
directed to register the writ appeal and list the same on 25th. And list the appeal.
Extra copies will be furnished to us today.
I will. Will get.
What is your copy?
Item 5, 6 and 7,
Earlier.
admissions.
This one, what did we do? Oh, this, I have no idea of this. Oh,
May it please the Lord. Not
Take a time being, madam. Pass it.
Not at this stage, I am praying for a notice, Minna.
Notice, madam, I don't know. But for stay, madam.
Oh, stay, how can I say, ask for?
all these are fresh appeals.
Yes, Mr.
All three.
Actually, my lord, in one case, I have challenged my date of superannuation. In the second case, I have challenged in my place an in charge was given. And third one, eventually, which will determine the fate of this case, where a particular OM was replaced by another OM.
I have a vague knowledge, I think,
Yes.
as a single bench.
Actually, I was promoted under CS. Now, the promotion was given based on a particular OM. Now, they say while issuing this OM, finance department's concurrence was not there. But since and secondly, the learned single judge has said that there was a violation of the rules of executive business. Now, rules of executive business, constitution says these are all directory, number one. And secondly, my lord, when it comes to the question of approval, unless the requirement is prior approval, it can be post facto also. So these are the points.
Mr. Kian Chowdhury, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. N. Gaudam, learned counsel for the applicant. How many respondents are there? Das, you are appealing for?
I am appealing for my lord.
My lord, in 193, there is no private respondent. So my learned friend can take for all.
No,
Oh, accountant general.
accountant general. I'll be appealing for 1, 2, 3 and 5.
Mr. S. Das, the standing counsel higher education, appears for the respondents 1, 2, 3, and 5. Accountant general,
Will give copy to the CGS, senior CGS, Mr. Chaudhary.
4, Mr. R.K. Talukdar, and a standing counsel accountant general appears for the respondents. We'll admit this. We'll admit.
Not only examine the matter.
Admit. List for hearing. When?
My lord,
Oh,
in
oh,
item
After
number,
4 weeks, huh?
in item WPC read appeal 191, there is a private respondent.
Okay, oh, no, 184 will take up.
184, I think all government response.
Same order.
With private respondents, they are done also notice may go.
Yeah.
Notice may go, otherwise permission
Third-
part.
In item number 191, my lord, respondent number 5 is a private.
This is the strange. You are appearing, Gogoi?
No, sir, I am for
Mr. K. Gogoi, learner standing counsel, higher education, appears on behalf of the respondent, 1, 2, and 4. Issue notice. Appellants to take steps for service of notice of the restriction of fight by this authority within 1 week. 1 week. This after 4 weeks. In the other cases also, you are appearing, Gogoi?
possible.
Instead of Das, you put K. Gogoi.
It may be listed in the month of July, my lord, for admission.
After 4 weeks, I'm.
Yes.
Come up.
Diploma.
The second is also having a retrospective. Is it not a clarificatory?
Yes.
Second one.
Second,
One is a
will it not also cover
Loss.
that efficiency?
loss.
Period.
Loss. That will be there.
Retrospective, it's clarification.
That was-
Because
yeah.
naturally we'll have a retrospective.
If it is a clarificatory, because otherwise also, if it is clarificatory, then also whether it's entitled or not.
If
Lossy
you,
may-
if your lordship
lossy
will
may-
kindly have the file of writ appeal number 193, my lord. I'll just draw your lordship's attention to one page. There was a scrutiny done, my lord, at page number 60. Page 60. Scrutiny report of documents submitted by Dr. Satyajit Paul, submitted along with his application praying for promotion from the post of associate professor to professor. So Dr. Paul, associate professor, has completed the mandatory short-term program of 1 week or 2 week duration and so sponsored on a so. The fulfillment of the above requirement is in accordance with, it's an earlier OM of lot 5820. There is no connection.
2020 cannot be loss. 2020 it was extend loss. That
We'll
will
have to-
extend loss. One of the moot question also have to examine whether loss for a moment loss may held that everything is copy loss.
Fine.
Then also whether it's entitled or not promotion part,
Preserving.
that is the issue. As per law laid down by Supreme Court, it cannot be loss.
Clarificatory.
Loss. It is clear, even it is clarificatory, then it is loss may held that everything is okay loss. Then also loss, whether it's entitled or not loss. That is the issue loss. Today we suppose that everything is okay. Then also whether it's entitled or not loss. That part.
Okay.
Obligation.
At page. WBC. You're in position of Ulan?
Yes, we have already built the house, my lord, acquired it, purchased in 23 lakhs, and again, in building house, we took loan of another 25 lakhs, my lord, husband and wife, and renovated, entire compound was set up, walls were constructed, my lord.
One job. Notice will have to go.
My lord,
But RP Shamal on the council. Then senior council assisted by Mr.
D Dole.
They told on the council. Petition. Issue notice.
It can be admitted also.
You text?
It can be admitted also, because all they need final hearing.
No. It's a writ petition. You have to take steps. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on all the respondents. All the respondents. By registered proceeding within 1 week. List after votes. Till the next reasonable date, status quo as on today shall be met.
In terms of, there is another case where stage is granted by the state.
Huh?
There is another case, my lord, filed by the Punjab National Bank. Bank
No,
stage.
we are also saying status quo as on today.
Yes. Available.
Item 9.
Yes.
Here in this case, my lord, I am placing the grievance of the petitioner for non-consideration his experience in terms of the rule 12 P of secondary education for institution 2018. What happened in this case? The said rule has discontinued my service experience. So far, I have.
Notice will go.
Fine.
Third, Mr.
I'm Keshwar.
M.K. Sharma and the council issue notice. Mr. R. Majumdar, Learned Standing Council, School Education Department. Appears on behalf of respondents,
I'll appear for,
1 and 2.
there is no post of one. Post one does not exist. I'll appear for 2 and 6.
How can we do with this? I don't understand. How can we issue notice also?
Second thing.
You correct the course title.
So far, if you let's say permits, I want to style on the response number 1, man. Maybe minus type of file.
Huh?
I am playing before you also see this type of this. I'll change it, madam.
You'll have to file an IA for changing it. You'll have to file an IA.
So far, notice
I will issue notice.
Let's make this a last.
See, if you delete 1,
madam.
then 2 will become 1.
Madam. Yes, yes.
7 also does not exist. 1 and 7 do not.
Then you amend your course title. After that, we'll take up.
Madam.
Mr. M.K. Shamal and counsel for the petitioner is permitted to file an IA for amendment of the course title. List after 1 week.
Madam.
Obliged.
Item 13.
My phone was supposed to.
Yes, I have taken the instruction. They are saying that the process for appointment of the regular principal and vice principal is already on. They are saying that if some time is given, maybe not 4 months, at least we can complete the process. Otherwise, there will be no officer.
We will think of
Yeah.
disposing these matters.
Because on 5/5/25, the principal was suspended, even before the order was passed by the honorable court.
Third, Mr.
That's into notification has been set aside.
How?
So on the strength of that, my lord, allowing him to continue.
That's
That
fine.
might-
But we have made our mind clear
my lord,
the other day.
my lord.
But today what we are thinking of, what Gogoi said the other day was, there's no principal, there's no vice principal.
Yes,
School will be in a big trouble.
even today that's the position.
So the process of the
Regular selection
regular selection,
of vice principal is already on. Pursuant to this order, we have initiated the process. So it
I
will
am
take
the
some
senior
time.
most professor.
so till then you make an alternative arrangement.
I am the senior most professor, my lord. I am entitled for that learned single judge.
Notice has not been yet issued, but as before, I just want to bring to Lordship one particular act.
Hmm.
Can I mention?
Yeah. Have you filed a caveat?
No, my lord.
I
No,
don't-
okay,
That's why I see Lordship sought permission. Notice not
Okay,
even issued.
okay.
I sought permission from your Lordship, my lord. Even Lord say, yes, I can argue, I'll sit down, my lord. My lord, what happened? This order has got 2 parts, my lord. The judgment passed by the honorable single judge, my lord. The first part says, my lord, it has been set aside.
Huh.
But he had another prayer in the repetition. His prayer was also direct to promote me. Honorable single judge did not pass that order. Cannot be promote me, my lord. His only lordship has taught us considerations. But that was not given. Now come to the second part of the order. When lordship has found that it was set aside in first, lordship knew this is the end of respect for as vice president. So the honorable single judge, while passing order, my lord, also in exercising wisdom, magnanimity, I can say, my lord, and also, my lord,
passed an order that till process is completed, he will continue. Why it was said, there's some reason behind it, my lord. The reason is, as my learned friend has said, there is no principal at present. Also, there is no vice principal. At least, heavily not for 4 days. And the same situation, my lord, I faced, my lord, there is a matter, honorable, before Justice Bapanna and my lord, Justice A.K. Goswami, my lord. Same situation, my lord. Kindly have a look at the judgment, my lord. In that case, what happened? The matter was from Nagaland. This respondent was in that case, my lord, was without following rules, he was appointed in a grateful post. So Narayana Singhal just very rightly said, set a certain cost and the respondent shall complete the process within a certain period. So at that time, my job has gone. So for here in this case, it is a little better for me. 4 months space was given to me to breathe, my lord, here by the honorable single judge. Then against that, writ was fine. I was thinking, I appear before Justice Bapanna, Justice A.K. Goswami. I was thinking, my lord, what argument to make? Because certain cost illegal appointment. I just made it clear, my lord. I Lordship's mercy. If Lordship kindly allow, since if I do not get a job, if I'm ousted, the writ petitioner doesn't come and sit to my chair, he doesn't get a job. So there is a vacuum. Here in this, there is a vacuum. So this was the order passed, my lord. Just have a look once, my lord. For 4 months, exactly 4 months, I was allowed, my lord. Just have a look. That 4 months also here also, my lord. Lordship extended the help of magnanimity here and passed that order.
Was the most important in this.
It's a great thing, something like this. But then, of course, the principle, my lord. Here, absolutely, it wasn't here. Honorable court said, all right, for 4 months. Here, my lord, kindly see what happened. From the date of issuance of notice, first day, Lordship has said in the writ petition, will stay order prayer can be considered on the returnable date. Returnable date, my lord, stay was not considered. Then, when the matter disposed, it was 6 months, 9 days. So waited 6 months, 9 days, no problem. 9 days. After this judgment was passed, today it is 1 month, 4 days. Now only 82 days left, my lord. Heaven will fall, my lord. For 82 days he works, my lord. My humble submission, my lord. Suppose if I don't get there, he also doesn't get. It's a sadistic pleasure, nothing else.
No, no, that's my learned senior.
You're getting a higher scale
No, by special
if you're allowed.
No, not at all.
No.
Not at all. No.
Charge.
Say not at
In charge.
all. In charge, nothing. No monetary benefit at all, my lord. Just for 82 days, my lord.
Gogoi, is there any other person eligible to hold this post?
By the order of the.
No. Or you can take some instructions on that issue. We can take up on Friday.
Well, only I am the senior most professor and he is reader as per regulation, he is not any.
No, fine, that's fine.
They're not finding.
Sir. Well, the professor available.
Apart from that.
Yes, ma'am.
There are other.
I am the senior most professor,
There are other professors also.
but one professor is there, another one professor is there.
Not.
He is not in the feeder. And what happened after passing of the judgment of learned single judge, they have entrusted him to act as DDO on 19/5 million. After that order, setting aside of that notification, government.
Yeah. But so and so. You came, hello?
Mal.
Learned counsel for this appellate. Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Additional Advocate General Assam, shall take instructions as whether there are any other eligible professors for holding the post of vice principal in the concerned college. List on Friday you want?
Yeah.
20.
Much better.
Obliged, my lord.
But not as a senior counsel. You should know the meaning of a caveat.
No, my lord, that's why, my lord, I put permission, my lord. Even Lordship said, no, 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 sit down, I could have comfortably said.
That we would not, that we would not like to do.
My lord, what happened? My lord, what happened? My lord, what happened, my lord?
When a senior
Court
officer-
went against me, even though I didn't fail appeal. I thought, all right, there are 80 to 50 days, my lord, let me be there, my lord. I'm not that greedy, my lord. It's all right, my lord. That's
Whatever.
all right.